Look at you. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. You can't go one way because there's a cookie blocking you. And you can't go the other way, same problem, you're trapped in the middle. Okay, I guess maybe you could squirt out the sides, but you're not going to. You're ice cream. How's that feel? Yeah, I know what you mean. No way out. No escape for you. The horror, the horror.
Cassie,
Yes?
are you talking to that ice cream sandwich?
I feel sorry for it. I can't help it.
Why?
Because the poor ice cream is a lot like me. It's caught in the middle, trapped in a problem, and it never asked for it.
It's also delicious.
Yes, it is, John. What am I going to do?
Well, I heard about your problem. If you go along with your friends, you're breaking your parents' rules. But if you tell someone what they're doing, you lose a friend. It's a tough place to be.
Yeah, there's no way out, is there?
There's always a way out.
How do you know?
Because we're not ice cream, Cassie. We're children of God. And when God's people get trapped, God always makes a way out.
I don't know, John. I just don't see any other way out of it.
Then stop looking. Give the problem to God. He'll make a way.